of working on. Good afternoon, everyone who are present here. This project is a volcano, working model of volcano. This project is made by the group of class 7C. Do you know what is a volcano? Let me tell you. A volcano is a landform, a mountain where molten rocks erupt through the surface of the planet. The volcano mountain opens downwards to the earth's surface like a pool and underneath in the earth's surface.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajveer Singh, and we have made this model together. We have made actually two models to show both the steps. One by vinegar, dish soap, and baking soda, and one by coke and mentals to show the eruption that is being held on a volcano. A volcano is a natural mass made through elevation of rocks and minerals, in which when the magma can't hold, means when there is more pressure in the magma, so it comes out of the volcano. It is also a place where intrusive and extrusive rocks are formed.